Tatiana Westco here. I miss you guys so much. If you're new to my channel, I need you guys to go ahead and hit that subscribe button and also turn on your post notifications so you are notified when I upload another video. So as today, as the title states, I am basically finessing my first wigs. This company always comes through with the wigs, but I'm realizing my washer and dryer is on, so I gotta turn them up all so y'all can hear me. So like I was saying, if you guys don't know about this company and you're interested in purchasing a wig, I definitely would go with this company first, just because their construction on their wigs are always really nice. They don't lack on us. They understand what we're looking for when it comes to like the realistic front parts of the wig, and I love the fact that they have really nice short wigs. Sometimes short wigs can look really clocky and they can look really wiggish, so you don't want that, but I find that my first wigs units always look very realistic no matter how short you go with their units. So I have me a little Bobbiana right now, so she's going to get worn today and I'm excited. Be quick. So this is the ARIES 003 wig from this line, and it's the L137. The texture is silky. It's a 10-inch unit, and like I said, its natural hair color is 1B, and then the cap size I got was 1. So I have a small cap size, and then the lace is medium brown, and it has 6-inch parting down the middle, so that's really good. On the sides, obviously it's not 6-inch parting. I would say more so like maybe 2 or 3 inches worth of parting right there, but as long as the middle is really cute. I have no super dark knots. I really appreciate that. It does have 3 combs, but I like pulling my jaw straps to each side just so it can fit really snug. Boom. So I'm gonna put it on my head. Oh, and by the way, it did come with really nice flesh tone wig caps. It's really hard to find our perfect wig cap color, so I like to make sure I don't use them all up at once. So this is how you're going to receive your wig. If you're interested, it's actually in this box, and it has My First Wig's information on it. It shows you how to tame your wig, how to keep up with your unit, and also it has some flyaway tamer. It always comes with a little pouch like this, and I appreciate these pouches so much because they have like combs and instructions. Once again, they have little clips. That's really important for first time wig wearers, and they also have some bobby pins for extra security. I feel like, you know, you should just give them points just off of that, because a lot of wig companies just be throwing you some cheap shit and be making you feel like you have to work with what you got at home, but they prepare you for everything that you need to make your wig look really, really realistic and flawless. So as you can see, like look at that. That's really, really nice already. If you feel like you have to bleach the knots, you know, feel free to do so, but I don't feel like I need to. If anything, I would just add a little bit of foundation powder around this area if I feel the need to. Cut little slits down each area because it just kind of helps put the wig on versus like having like a huge piece of lace. So I just like doing that now. Realize my wig cap is all the way down here, guys. All the way down here. That's how really nice, but that shows you how nice this unit is without even having a wig cap on. So as you've seen, I just tucked so it can get right underneath that wig cap. That's why it's important to have your wig cap in the appropriate spot so you can use that for extra security as well. Just add a little bit of foundation powder right here. I'm just gonna do that so I can show you guys the difference of what it would look like if I did not do that. So I'm just gonna do one side for right now, and if I see a difference, I'll do the other side. Lightened it up just a little bit. So let's see if I can see a difference. No, I don't. No, I don't actually at all. Look at that side, and then look at this side. Let's start off with spraying one side at a time. Well, one section at a time. And you can use your blow dryer so you can speed up the dry time. This is the Salon Graphics Professional Freezing Hairspray 10 Max Hold. This is what I was using before I really started playing with the Bold Hold. I'm sorry, not the Bold Hold, but the Got to Be Glue hairspray. So I like just cutting a little bit, and then I just use the comb to kind of like rake so I don't cut into the hair. I'm gonna move the hairs around so they can be attached to my hand. I'm sure if you guys have already been watching my channel, you already know this step. I just like taking the hairspray in between sections, like parting the hair and spraying the hairspray in that area just so I could add extra security. Extra security on my wig or whatever.
Walk around with these Memphis. I'm from the south, finna go grill. Remember doing something more bill. Go with the hands, roll kill.
And I have my hot comb here. And this is the Hot Tools hot comb. Well, no, this is the Gold in hot comb. It goes all the way up to 500, and I swear to you, if you don't have one of these and you are a wig fanatic or just a weave fanatic, you need this in your life. Like, you're missing out. 0 to 100, because it just makes it look so much more realistic and nice and professional. I think what this white residue is from is the hairspray, to be honest with you. So we gotta wipe that off. Hold on. So I'm just going to straighten the front part just so you guys can see me straighten it. And I'm just going really straight down. I'm not really trying to add a bump. I was really thinking about cutting it so it can be even all the way through, but I'll do that in the future. I just want you guys to see the real style of it right now. And if you were to receive this unit, it looks just like this. So just so you can see, I'm gonna end up taking this black sweater off, so don't worry, because you'll be able to see the full shindig. I'm just a little cold right now. I like this little style too that is given. Look at that. Look at that little flip action. Hold on, because I might do something like that versus keeping it like straight. That's cute. Look at that. Okay. I mean, it would be hard for me to have the whole hair like that because I wouldn't want it all the way flipped. But that's how easy it is to manipulate this too. Because I really didn't want just like a straight bob going down. I wasn't in the mood for that. But I didn't know it would be really easy for me to do like a cute look like this too. Let's see what it's given. Okay. I just feel like I have to get this together at the top so it can look really flat. That's how this look is going to look decent. It's laying right. We got to open up the flyaway tamer so that can be it. I'm going to ask my brother to do this for me. Here you go. Come in the frame. Say hello.
Hello.
No, they can't see you.
Hello.
Aww.
Hi.
Ah. There you go. Alright, so now we use the flyaway tamer to control all of these peekaboo I see yous. See that? You know, I would put you in charge of the flyaways, but then I'm sure a natural disaster will happen right after that.
Oh, so stay good.
That direction. He knows. He said he knows. Okay, so we're just gonna slick that, and then he's slicking the back, and then gotta get it close to that, but you can't like do it like so perfectly or it starts looking wiggish. People really like using this to rake it. So
It won't be so even.
yeah. But it just depends on how I'm feeling. Cause sometimes I can never find this damn thing. Oh, this is pretty dull, or I wouldn't be using it. Alright. So, this part. We're gonna press this down, press the edges down. That is it. So now I have to leave, guys, because we are on a schedule, but I will come back when I have my outfit on after doing my try on haul so you guys can see the hair, because I know y'all really can't see it that good because I have all black on. Easy process. You can wear it however you want to wear it. I think it's cute. I feel like their units are definitely everyday units. You don't have to feel like you need to go to the club when you actually try on this hair or put this hair on top of your head. How to do that, but we have to go out really quick, but it's going to take 2 seconds, so we'll be back.
Oh, too many brothers can't stop me. Oh, whole lot of honeys. Oh, shit. You never see me. Used to ride around in the way. Feel that pussy is leaking. Hit him on top. Shit. Jack one, take him on. Nigga, don't take that nigga off. That nigga got a 5 on him. I don't be like classic, yeah. Right up like the classic, yeah. Spitting this shit like the J's, yeah. Bottle her and I don't touch it. Oh, shit. The rich forever living doing this. Nigga, my chain, you think I'm real stupid, yeah. He better mind me and text the racing Rari. I'm pressing no tag. She don't want to jab. Smoking cookie in the Maybach relax. She was spinning nuts. I ain't coming on 5 on my side. No, I'm not late. Nigga too short. I'm alright. Before the license, I was driving. I don't wanna think. Set up on that team. Hanging in the streets. Chilling like a bitch. Love I got for you so real. You know, they love the chop.
This is the final look.